immediately think of Picasso paintings or rare treasures worth 102. But at a quiet museum in New York, USA, an ancient rock contributed from Mars was just auctioned for an unexpected price of $5.3 million US dollars, equivalent to 132.5 billion Vietnamese dong. Discovered in the Sahara Desert of Northwest Africa in 2023, this Martian meteorite is extremely rare and extraordinary. And the buzz around this meteorite isn't just about the price but also what this rock represents: scientific wonders, cosmic stories, and how we value pieces of the universe. Video, let. Now, let's go explore. Meteorites are rocky or metallic celestial bodies contributed from outer space. Most are fragments from asteroids, comets, or ejected from impacts on the Moon or Mars. Regardless of origin, they are celestial bodies that have existed for billions of years since the early formation of the solar system. While rocks on Earth erode over time, weathering under weather conditions or tectonic collisions, cosmic rocks are preserved almost intact in the vacuum of space. Therefore, for scientific research, they are incredibly valuable. They are crucial clues helping us understand the early solar system. Instead of spending huge sums on projects launching spacecraft to collect soil and rock samples from asteroids, which is time-consuming, laborious, and costly, meteorites falling to Earth are like treasures literally falling from the sky. To date, about 77,000 meteorites are known, with nearly 400 of Martian origin found on Earth. Discussing today is one such, but it. Named NWKA 16788, this meteorite is a Martian rock ejected by a powerful impact when an asteroid or comet struck the planet. Afterward, the rock was flung from Mars, wandered millions, even billions of years in the solar system, and eventually crashed into Earth. No one knows exactly when it landed in the Igat region of Niger in the Sahara Desert. During a meteorite hunting trip, an anonymous meteorite hunter accidentally picked it up on July 16, 2023. Are you wondering how we know for sure it came from Mars? Well, determining if a rock is from Mars isn't easy. While we don't have any samples taken directly from Mars for comparison, but scientists have a clever and subtle way to recognize the difference. It's based on trapped atmospheric gases inside the meteorite and Martian atmosphere collected for exploration missions. In meteorite NVK 16788, small gas bubbles found perfectly matched the composition of Mars's atmosphere. Additionally, scientists detected the presence of masculinite, a type of glass that only forms in high-energy impact events. The combination of these two factors confirmed its origin. Plus, there's the unique mineral composition and unweathered surface. This made it clear. This is a rare meteorite from Mars. I'm sure the person who found it was extremely happy to know it was a meteorite, one from Mars, and the largest ever found. It's as big as 2 basketballs and weighs 24.67 kilograms. For comparison, it weighs about 5 kilogram bags of rice stacked up or a 20-liter water bottle plus a few small bottles. While other Martian meteorites are as small as marbles and weigh a few grams, this one was nearly intact upon landing. Although comparing meteorites with images is difficult because the angle doesn't reflect their actual size. But I still want to place NBKA 16788 next to a few other famous Martian meteorites so you can see the difference. Before NBKA was found, the largest Martian meteorite discovered was this rock named Tau Deni 002. 25 centimeters wide and weighing 14.5 kilograms. But when NBKA 16788 was found, Tau Deni quickly dropped to second place in the rankings. NBKA 16788 is 70% larger than the Martian rock Tau Deni 002 and dominates the list, becoming the largest Martian meteorite found on our Earth. Like other meteorites, this cosmic rock has an irregular shape, gray color, and is partially covered by a gray-brown fusion crust due to burning upon entry into Earth's atmosphere. On July 16, 2025, exactly the second anniversary of its discovery, NBKA 16788 was auctioned along with many other artifacts. With a mass of over 24 kilograms and being the largest Martian meteorite we've found on Earth, it was successfully sold for a record high price of $5.3 million United States dollars, equivalent to 132.5 billion Vietnamese dong. This price is much higher than the expected range of 2 to 4 billion United States dollars. The person who spent the huge sum to own this cosmic rock wasn't disclosed, likely for safety reasons. I'm sure it. The auction ended, the seller sold it for an unexpected price. The space rock has a new owner. But a fierce debate has erupted since then. The Nigerian government has launched an investigation into the illegal sale of this Martian meteorite auctioned in the USA for over $5 million United States dollars. The Council of Ministers headed by President Tiani has ordered an investigation into the sale of the meteorite discovered in the Agad area. The authorities suspect this meteorite was smuggled, so they have tasked the mining departments, higher education, police, and judiciary to investigate and clarify the matter. However, the auction has ended, and the winning bidder remains confidential, making Nigeria's investigation difficult. Essentially, this rock is not only large and highly aesthetic, but also extremely rare and not yet studied in detail. Its internal composition remains a mystery. After its discovery in 2023, a small fragment was sent to the Shanghai Astronomy Museum in China for identification. 2 other small fragments are kept at Firel University in Italy, while the NBK 16788 meteorite is still displayed in a private gallery in Italy. Initial discoveries indicate it is a Sigistes olivin microgabbroic meteorite, a dense volcanic rock formed deep in the Martian crust, but that's all that is known about it. With its large size and intact state, NBK 16788 is a treasure from Mars that, if thoroughly studied, could tell the story of the rock and provide unprecedented insights into its origin, that planet. But now, it will be stored in a private individual's collection. Access for research depends on the owner. This has left planetary scientists feeling discontented. Discoveries from Martian meteorites have yielded many exciting findings. In 2023, scientists discovered 5 different organic compounds hidden in a Martian rock. Named Tizen, recovered from Morocco in 2011. This is that rock. It broke apart in the sky over the city of Tizen in Morocco in August 2011 and was named after the city. The abundance of organic compounds, especially MOJ, was first discovered in a Martian meteorite. By 2024, evidence of ancient water on Mars was also found in a meteorite stored at Purdue University. No one knows for sure what the new owner will do with NBK 16788 and whether any detailed research will be conducted. but I truly hope it will be a generous person who does not refuse scientists' requests when they seek access for research. Currently, some Mars rovers are still examining rocks on the red planet. Through laboratories equipped right on the vehicle. But these robots cannot yet bring samples from the red planet back to Earth. NASA's sample return mission was recently cancelled due to excessive costs. Meanwhile, China's sample return mission will not occur before 2031. This means Martian meteorites like NBK 16788 are the only way for scientists to directly study rocks from Mars on Earth. NBK 16788 is not just an ordinary rock, and the person who spent $5.3 million to buy it is certainly not a fool. It is heritage, it is science, it is a message from the distant universe hundreds of millions of kilometers away. It is vivid evidence of what happened in the solar system's past, a surviving fragment from the early days. For the scientific community, it is a treasure of knowledge. For space enthusiasts, it is a miracle fallen to Earth. And for all humanity, it is a reminder that we are just a very small part of this vast universe. At this point, talk through this video will also take a pause. Hopefully, you have had relaxing and informative moments with fascinating stories from beyond the sky. Looking forward to seeing you all in the next journeys. Warm regards and goodbye. Please subscribe to the Geek Amigo channel so you don't miss exciting videos.